Hello everybody, Carlos here. Let's do a small recap of today, daily Zen recap. Okay, so has been a very interesting day. Let's take a look first at the euro dollar daily. We have seen a small correction, a big correction here, and let's see what happens. We are above the structure, but we have a failure here. Will be our trend change point. Okay, to the downside. Let's look at intraday, because today we had a lot of news. We had NFP, okay, and we have some pound news this morning. So let's take a look at the euro dollar, what opportunities we had this morning. Breakout here to the opening range to the downside, breaking one day low. This is fantastic. We want to see a decision making point inside the opening range. We tested 2927 to the pip, okay, was a target. We tested it to the pip, and then boom, sharp reversal. We have the failure, news here, and boom, the retest to the next bias point to the pip nearly. Okay, so very interesting day, but has been very much more better price action on yen pairs. This is euro yen, is in uptrend, but is failing. We have a couple of take profit here. This is take profit of the longs, the hard buying, but the trend is still to the upside. Very bullish news. You have the Bank of Japan behind, so very good bullish pin bar for tomorrow. Intraday has been crazy, a little bit up and down. Opening range of 50 pips on London. This is telling us that it's not clear. Big range, so no trade there. Risky a little bit. You have a couple of entries here. We had 2-day low, 2-day high. We have breakout of the bias point, breakout of daily high. We trade below 2-day low, okay, but price then come back. We have an entry type C here with the opening range of New York, okay. Then we have the failure. I took along here, I bought here, close a small part at one day low, and another bit here at the next bias point. I took along here, okay. And also let's look at pound yen intraday. Nice price action yesterday, nice movement to the upside. Okay, you want to see this kind of breakouts with bias points inside. Okay, this is pound yen. I bought a retest here and took profit here. Okay, you can see. Okay, this was a clear retest of a bias point. Let's look daily pound yen. Okay, so yesterday we break this high to the left, so this down move is like it's done. Okay, it's a nice failure, nice opportunity to put in the direction of, to put yourself in the direction of the trend. So yesterday we broke this high and this bias point here. This is yesterday and pound yen. Nice opportunities also. Nice short here. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, you want to see this. Okay, because we open here and we have 1-day high, we have the bias point near, It's so bullish. Yesterday has been bullish also. So very small risk is counter trend, but you can still do it on intraday. Very small risk. It took you to the next structure point. Okay, then we have New York opening slightly failure here. We trade below but we close above. Then we have the bias point here. Then we have this means that everybody is looking at that at 8 o'clock. Okay, the trend is to the upside, so boom, you have your breakout. We break 1 day high plus the opening range of London. That is giving us a lot of information of the strength. Okay, it takes effort to break this. So breakout, we break the bias point and we make a perfect textbook retest of the opening range. Okay, this was expensive, now it's cheap. Okay, very clear retest here yesterday, very nice opportunities, and boom, another retest of the 1 day high. This was on Tokyo. When I saw this, I think, well, we are going to have, it's very probably a new retest. This now is a nice opportunity, so I leave an entry order here, very relaxed. You leave a take profit order there and you can go to sleep. Okay, if you want, if you know how to do this. So why? Because what happened here the last time? We sell off. So the next time is very probably that the people who sold want to sell again and make money. Also, I'm not going to risk all this profit to know if we are going to break this area. So I prefer to take profit. Then you can wait for a retest. Then if it's a good broken area, if it's really interest, okay, or buy later. Alright, so New York today, sorry, London today, still in an uptrend, not so clear the bias in this morning, big range. You still have some movement to the downside. We broke one bias point, then we test 1 day low to the pip, and if you look at the reaction, something is stopping here, selling climax, a lot of activity. You have a entry type C here or a retest here, so you can buy here the retest, nice take profit, and second test to the pip. You have your breakout on New York, again retest perfectly to test, price is making failures to making new lows, and boom, you have your take profit hand, your stop loss hand here, and it's very probably that we continue that way. Very nice breakout. Okay, here and here. So here are the orders. For example, the pound yen I took today. This is the the Tokyo. This is where I execute in this platform. We analyze here, but we execute here. So this is the entry, 42 pips here on Tokyo. Then we go long here. It's a reversal entry. Okay, this area is the trend change point. Okay, because we have failures. But what happened here really? This is not a trend change, then we have a failure. So I bought here with a small stop, 20 pips stop, but if this is not going to get any continuation, then I reverse, I follow the plan. This is the structural point. You can go short and long there. So I get a stopper out, we get a stopper out, 20 pips, but you reverse and you make 50 pips here. Alright, and then a new breakout here. I wasn't going to be in front of the computer, so if I'm not going to be in front many times, I prefer to close, and tomorrow will be another day. So 42.50, that's 92.95 minus 20 is 75 pips on pound yen today. Nice work. So nice opportunities now. Nice, very good volatility now on pound pairs. Let's keep an eye on this.